In this video, I am going to show how to install Laravel 12 on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL laravel.com, and then go into the documentation and select the link installing PHP and the Laravel installer. Before creating your first Laravel application, make sure that your local machine has PHP Composer and the Laravel installer installed. In addition, you should install either Node and npm or one so that you can compile your application's front-end assets. If you don't have PHP and Composer installed on your local machine, the following commands will install PHP Composer and the Laravel installer on your system. For Windows operating system, select Windows PowerShell tab. Now copy this command and open Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Paste here this command, then hit enter. That's it. PHP, Composer and Laravel have been installed successfully. Now verify the installation using this command php -version and also Composer and Laravel installer version. That's it. Now exit this PowerShell. If you already have PHP and Composer installed, you may install the Laravel installer via Composer using this command. Now I'm going to create a new Laravel application. So copy this command and open command prompt. Now navigate to any directory where you want to store the newly created Laravel application. I'm going to navigate to desktop and I'm going to create a new directory and name it my projects. Then navigate to the newly created directory. Okay. Now write this command Laravel new and then write the application name. My case site is the application name, then hit enter. Okay. Now choose which starter kit would you like to install. I am going to select Livewire. Then select the authentication provider. Now I am going to select the built-in authentication, Laravel. If you would like to use Laravel Vault, select yes, otherwise select no. Then select the testing framework. I'm going to select the PHP unit. It may take a while for creating Laravel application. It may take a while for downloading and installing the necessary packages and dependencies for the Laravel application. That's it. Laravel application created successfully. If you would like to run npm install and npm run build, type yes, then hit enter. Otherwise, type no, then hit enter. Okay. Now you can start your local development server using this command. At first, navigate to the application's root directory by cd and then write this command to run the local development server. Composer run div, then hit enter. If you like this, if you get this error, in the next video I will show you how to solve this issue. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.